Hi everyone, today's tutorial is for this soft glam cut crease. It's quick and easy, and most of all of these products are very affordable. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So to start this look off, I'll be taking my Morphe JH40 brush with Lace Teddy from my Too Faced Natural Love palette and applying this color into my crease and feathering it out towards the outer corner of my eye. Still using my JH40 brush, I'll now take the color Transition from my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette and apply that into the crease in the same shape. I like to apply my eyeshadow in this shape when I'm not doing winged liner, just so I can fill in any of the blank areas in the outer corner of my eye. Now picking up this peachy color from my Morphe 3502 palette, and still the same brush, I'm applying this into the crease to start deepening the colors. Now picking up this deeper color from the same palette, and applying this towards the lower portion of the crease as well as the very outer corner of the eye. And if you feel like you've lost some of the color in your transition shades, I went ahead and reapplied that peach color into my crease using my Morphe Badger blending brush. To ensure an even blend with all of these colors, I'm just taking whatever's left on my Morphe JH40 brush and blending everything to a soft finish. To start this cut crease, I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer brush and my e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer, starting at my tear duct and looking up to see where my eye naturally creases. By doing this, I'll be able to cut my crease a little higher up so that when I look forward, the color will still show. Now blending the concealer out so that there's no harsh edges and patting it down with my finger. I'm doing this because the warmth of my finger will help melt the concealer into the skin and it won't mix with the liquid shadow later on. For the lids, I'll be using my Stila Cosmetics liquid shadow in the color Kitten Karma. I like to start applying this using my e.l.f. small precision brush so that the shape stays tightly against the cut crease. Once the cut crease is outlined with the liquid shadow, I'll then go ahead and fill in the entire lid and pat down the outer portion using my finger for an even blend. Going back in with that darker color from the 3502 palette on my JH39 brush and applying this towards the very outer corner for more definition. And then using my JH40 brush to melt those colors together. And still using that same color on a JH42 brush and applying this across the entire cut crease. By doing this, it'll help the liquid shadow pop even more with a darker color against it. Then blending that out using my JH39 brush. Next, quickly highlighting my brow bone using Heavenly from my Too Faced Natural Love palette. Using my e.l.f. black liquid liner, I'm creating a thin line of color against my lash line for my false lashes. Then prepping my eyelashes with a coat of No. 7 Full 360 mascara. Before I apply my false lashes, I'm quickly lining my bottom lash line with the two peachy shades from my 3502 palette using my JH39 and my Morphe Badger brush. And lastly, for the eyeshadow, I'll be highlighting my inner corner using the color Heavenly from my Too Faced Natural Love palette. The false lashes I'll be using for this look are in the style Teddy by Kiss, which are an all-time fave of mine. They're super fluttery and really help pull this look together. To finish this look off, I'll go ahead and curl my lashes and then apply a quick coat of mascara to my bottom eyelashes. And that completes this soft glam cut crease. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it super helpful. For any links to the products and tools mentioned, make sure to check the description box. And while you're there, make sure to check me out on my other social media pages. Have a great day, everyone, and be safe. Bye!